Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Roblox again. So, my sister is going to be joining, I think, and let's see what game we can play. I'm going to play the normal elevator, so let's get started. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and hit the notification buttons. Let's get started! Come on. Don't do this to me. So, I hope you guys are having, I know Thanksgiving is in 2 days, but I hope you guys are having a great time and that you are going to be able to see your family and, be with your family over Thanksgiving. Okay, let's go into the elevator. I like the new edition. They let you run. That's cool. Not my sister. NBA. Where the frick is my basketball? Come on. NBA. Nodell. Come on. Hey. No bell. Gonna go up against the door. So, hi Meg. Right, here's my sister, Rainbow Dash. And if you want to play games with me on Roblox, my name is Florida Kid 8899, and my sister's Rainbow Dash _112 122 Illusion. Oh crap. Ah.
Okay, you're going inside it, Noel.
Whoa.
Noel, why is the person there?
That was an optical, I don't know how to say optical illusion, something like that. I don't give a crap.
Unicorn in space?
Shut up.
Oh, Noel.
I'm gonna try to get to the piano first.
Did you have to finally some Florida kids, Noel? Florida kid 8899?
No, don't let the cheese come in.
You can actually do that.
Dad, don't let the cheese come in. You're like crap, Nine.
Anyway, you
Strong crap.
Whoa, look it.
Oh, how'd you do that? Wow, lucky!
They're on a computer.
Well, lucky.
Yeah, that's just called being on a Kindle. Look, guys, if you want to watch my channel, because
The other ones do, I bet.
Nemo.
But, cheese. What the?
Unicorn something. What happened with your head?
Ah! No. Hi, weird cat. Huh? Frick no. This will prank you. Me.
Move out of my way, I'm playing with you.
Me love cats. Ew, I'm brown. Wait, you have ugly color. You have yellow. Well, actually, yellow. Either. Sharknado! Sharknado! I'm gonna run away from the
I'm
NATO.
following you.
Don't freaking follow me.
I'm a follower.
Right, no.
Party kid, come back! Party kid! I'm gonna call you Nancy DM and don't get up in there. Nancy DM!
Okay, idiot.
Oh, go get that.
I want to go shut it off.
I'm getting to
Me.
the camp.
Oh. What? Come on it. What the heck? How'd you do that? Did you just walk through? Oh my god, so funny. Instead of peanut butter jelly, guava juice. Take some of my shirt. Baby shark did C D F F F F F F C D F F F F F F C D F F F F F F C D F. Wait, C D F F C no F F E. Yeah, I like waffles. Yeah, I like pancakes. No, I don't like French toast. I hate French toast. It's so gross. Waffles! What are your mouthful? Yeah. Yeah. No! Haha. I hate French toast. It's so gross. I don't care about your opinions, but I just hate French toast. It's so gross. It's so nasty. I'm so sorry, but it's freaking nasty. 16, 15, 14, 13. Deck your halls with gasoline. Fa la 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 la. Light a match and watch it gleam. Fa la 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 la. Watch the schoolhouse burn to ashes. Fa la 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 la. Joy to the world, Lydia. Little Poop's dead. We barbecue its head. But what about her body? We flush it down the potty and round it goes. Rod! Ah! My head! That's funny. I know well. Ouch, my head. Ah! You idiot, get away. It blew freaking on my elevator. Cost me $11,000. Cost me $8,000.
Look at a naked man.
You're naked, ma'am. Make a girl, ma'am.
Right next to you.
Heh. Hi, Meg. Or if that is Meg. Oh, that's not you. Ew. Wait, that is just combined. Join! It just kicked me off of Roblox.
Noel, you say that.
I'm allowed to say frick.
Just, a girl just stepped in food.
You know?
Yeah. That they're playing.
Yeah, because I just joined. That's so annoying.
Let's die. Let's die.
What happened to you? I'm gonna get. Watch this, guys. That Slender Man. Yeah.
This is what you got from the Yankee Candle fundraiser.
I got
Same thing as Noah.
Money, money, money. Ah! Yeah, hurry,
Girls, get me. No one die.
well, because I wanted a hug.
Well,
But she had to be retarded and be me.
well.
What?
It's them your friend.
I got a trophy! I'm just kidding. I got something from a fundraiser and I did that.
You should see you got the same thing.
I got money, money, puking out money. I'm just kidding.
I want to be the chicken one. Please, no, wait.
That's no fair. He cheated.
What did you do?
That's no fair.
What did
Idiot.
you do? I'm going to say stupid
No, you're gonna get kicked or reported.
man.
Poop rockets. Yeah, you are. Ed. I'm not allowed to say that word, but yeah, you're Ed. Meanie. Yeah, you better. Oh. Stay with. Okay. I'll stay by the back door. Ah! Don't take no burn your hair. Oh, I just pooped on hand. It's your fault. Great, you just eat my poo. You just ate my poo, idiot. Wow, you're so stupid. Harmless, constantly. I don't know. I just said I'm just a retarded.
Well, did you know what I said? I said, no,
You're retarded.
It's that. It's that.
That makes no sense. You're retarded. Hmm. Hmm. Eh!
Oh, it died.
Hmm. It's yummy. Ah! It's guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. So, if there's any more kind of games you want me to play, comment down below and I'll see if I can try to play it. And maybe I can even play with Peyton and Brooke, which her channel is Brooke Simmons. So, I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving and enjoy this video.